Hi, I'm James from Square Internet, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to log into your WordPress website. I'm going to be doing a series of video tutorials on WordPress, Visual Composer, WooCommerce, and some marketing areas that are going to be useful for you in maintaining and growing your WordPress websites. So look out for the next video. Thankfully, logging into a WordPress website is a simple and straightforward process, and you can do it in 3 easy steps. Step 1, navigate to your domain. For the purpose of these videos, I'm going to be using a development domain with a fresh installation of WordPress. So because I'm already on my website, I'm on step 1. I'm going to go over to step 2 for you, which is, and you want to come up to your URL here and type /wp-admin. Now, if WordPress has been correctly installed on your website, you'll be seeing this screen, which is the WordPress login screen. And you guessed it, step 3 is inputting your login credentials, which are your username or email address and your password. I'm just going to walk you through that, just so you can see what this looks like. Thankfully, that's been auto-filled for me because I've been logging in and out of this website all day. Now I'm going to click Login. And what we're seeing here is the WordPress CMS, the back end of my website. So WordPress has been correctly installed on my website, and I've now just successfully logged in to my website. Hopefully you found this video useful. If there's anything you'd like expanded on, if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Or if you need any specific WordPress or WooCommerce help, feel free to drop me an email at hello@squareinternet.co, and if it's something I can help you with, I'll be back in touch with you ASAP. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you're looking for simple, helpful videos and tutorials on WordPress, WooCommerce, Visual Composer, and some marketing tips aimed at small business owners and marketing managers. Thanks very much, and watch out for the next video. Cheers.